Oh shit!
Carol up, sort the boys out. Right, she's monster. They didn't do any calls, so
Oh, got on some bud.
this is have to do.
Nice. So today is a big day and we're collecting the truck from its engine rebuild. Nicole is here, she's just behind the camera. Say hello, Nicole.
Oh, hang on. Hi.
So we're just pulling into South Links Commercials now, and he's been sending me videos all morning, he's been washing it. Oh look, there's Joe. He's having a fag.
Oh, there she is, look.
There she is. He's even tyre shined it. Oh, look at that. It's dusty in here, so it's probably not as clean as what they left it. Joe looks clean though, look at Joe. Real clean. So yeah, let's go and have a look at the work they've done and drive it home.
Does he what?
Does he need new headlights? Get a hammer. Right, we're just stealing this off Ash because I haven't got one of these.
Stealing it?
Yeah, because he said he steals them as well, so.
I don't think you're supposed to say that.
But yeah, let's go and have a look at the lorry. It's all finished. Right, so we've got the keys. Engine's rebuilt. It's like a new one apparently. We're going to head back to our new unit, which you guys on YouTube have not seen yet. It's not got much in it at the minute because it's a bit bare because the lorry's not been in there. Got a few bits in there, but let's head there now and have a look at that.
Oh, might need to unlock it. So it's been out on a road test this morning. Everything so far is looking good. So yeah, let's see if we can get it home without any problems. Why is it?
Ah, she's not started.
It's. Well, at least you started.
So we are pulling out now in the lorry. Not driven it in so long. Feels so weird, but so good to be driving it again. Let's get her home. Let's get her polished up. Come on in.
This is the new unit
For now.
for now.
It might be permanent, it might be temporary. We don't know yet. Everything looks a bit lost in here at the minute. There's still a bit more to put down, but I wasn't sure where to put it yet because, well, I don't know where I'm going to put things. I'm thinking pulling the lorry forwards and parking it that end, but I'm not sure how much room it's going to take until I get it in here, so let's get it in.
Whoa, that's tight. Only just.
Only just. There's still loads of room in here.
Loads of room.
Still loads of room for activities.
Curriculum activities.
So while we're in here, I'm going to jack the cab over and let's have a look at the engine now it's rebuilt.
Now that you've stolen the
Is the cab safe to take? I'll tell you what I did find in here, 2 coats that I've been looking for.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Probably fell off the top bunk while it's been tilted. Nice view.
Cab is So Nicole's going to tilt the cab over. Here she comes. We'll have to fast forward this bit. Here she goes. Just the air in the cab.
Why is it getting greased?
Because you tilted the cab. It's not easy. Are you still pumping? Oh, look at that nice toolbox. Oh! Oh, shit! So we've tilted the cab a little bit so you can have a look at the
pretty
heads and you can just see in there the collar up manifolds. But yeah, that is one fully rebuilt engine.
It even sounds nicer now, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's got like a little
Bit more of a chug.
bit more of a chug to it. It's like a bit more of that V8 rattle to it. And then coming round this side, oh, you can see a lot more this side. So yeah, there's the heads, new manifolds, and yeah, you can't really see a lot more. But I'll put some clips in of the guys rebuilding the engine so you can see all the work that went into it. There was a hell of a lot of work that went into this. And big thanks to Ash and Joe and Libby at Southlinks Commercials. You've done a brilliant job.
I know how stressful it's been for them all.
Yeah.
It's been not straightforward, let's say.
And Ash has had some sleepless nights, bless him, so thank you very much for everything.
I think I'm also going to put in, I've got a little clip of Joe washing the lorry with a fake truck t-shirt on.
Yeah. We'll put that in.
But yeah, thank you so much, guys. We're just so pleased to have it back and it's all done. And touch wood, that's it.